Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in your Electrum wallet. First, it's important to understand that Electrum is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control over your funds. To receive Bitcoin, you'll need your unique receiving address. Navigate to the Receive tab in your Electrum wallet to find this address. Always double-check that you've copied the correct address before proceeding with any transaction to ensure your funds arrive safely. Once you have your Electrum receiving address, open the platform where your Bitcoin is currently held, such as an exchange or another wallet. Locate the Send or Withdraw option. Carefully paste your copied Electrum address into the recipient field. Then, enter the precise amount of Bitcoin you intend to deposit. Always review all transaction details, including the address and amount, before confirming the transfer to prevent any irreversible mistakes. After initiating the transfer, you'll usually be prompted to confirm the transaction on your sending platform. This might involve a two-factor authentication step. Once confirmed, the transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. You can track its progress using a blockchain explorer by searching for your transaction ID. Your funds will typically appear in your Electrum wallet after a few network confirmations, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion. For optimal security, always verify the receiving address multiple times before confirming any deposit. A small error can lead to permanent loss of funds. Regularly back up your Electrum wallet seed phrase and store it securely offline. For larger amounts, consider integrating a hardware wallet with Electrum for an extra layer of protection. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying vigilant with security practices ensures your Bitcoin remains safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.